Think we humans know everything about love? Maybe not. Some of its greatest secrets live right here, in the wings of mother birds. Let's discover 7 ways they teach us what love truly means. Seven secrets mom birds teach us about love. Piping plover. Love is a fortress. Meet the tiny piping plover. When danger comes, she pretends to be injured, dragging her wing, limping, to lure predators away from her chicks. Love means creating a fortress of safety, no matter the risk. Laysan albatross. Love is a team effort. Albatrosses mate for life. One parent stays with the egg, while the other flies thousands of miles across the ocean for food. Love means teamwork. Sharing the load makes the bond stronger. Peregrine falcon. Love is patient teaching. Falcon parents don't just feed their young, they teach. Sometimes they drop food in mid-air, letting fledglings practice the catch. Love means guiding with patience, not doing everything for them. Great hornbill. Love is sacrifice. The female hornbill seals herself inside a tree cavity for months. Only her beak peeks out, as her mate feeds her through a tiny slit. Love is sacrifice, putting others before yourself. Great crested grebe. Love is emotional connection. Grebe chicks ride on their mother's back, safe, warm, hidden. She preens them, feeds them gently, holding them close. Love is connection, the closeness that makes us feel cherished. Eagle. Love is encouraging independence. When eaglets are ready, the mother eagle holds back food. She waits on a nearby branch, coaxing them to leap. Love means giving wings, letting go so others can grow strong. Florida scrub jay. Love extends beyond family. In scrub jay families, older siblings stay to help. They feed the young, guard the nest, stand together. Love extends beyond parents. It thrives in community, proving we are stronger together. From plovers to eagles, these mothers show us love is safety, love is teamwork, love is patience, love is sacrifice, love is closeness, love is freedom, and love is community. Let's carry these timeless lessons with us, because love, like the birds, was meant to soar.
Please like and subscribe.